It so happens that the same people who owns the banks in Haiti are the ones who have the private ports where the guns enter the country. And we don't need to speculate. There are many reports in recent years where illegal weapons were caught at Port Lafiteau, owned and operated by Gilbert Bigio. Yes, you heard that name again. Of course, there are references in the New York Times article about nationalizing a private port. That was one of the plans that Jovenel Moïse supposedly had, but that he didn't go through with. And then Maria Habib, the journalist, tells us that the editor, that's what she said during the interview that she did with Aibo Post, stopped them from naming the owner of the port.